Assalamu alaikum and good morning to everyone. My name is Aisha Farooq and I did masters and political science from Punjab University, and I also did MEd from Allama Iqbal Open University as a secondary teacher's education. And recently I have completed my masters in Urdu literature from Punjab University as well. Nowadays, I am working as a junior teacher and as an in charge in Unique Group of Institutions. I joined Unique in 2006, and my working experience is almost 13 to 14 years in Unique Group of Institution. And I am living in Lahore in Samnabad area. I can teach all the subjects. My writing is very good. I can teach online classes nowadays. So, if you want to teach your students with me, you can take my help. You can contact me on YouTube channel. My number is given here. So, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.